One more daw, one more. 3 star talaga yan. Thank you po, Pretty Licia. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Pa 3 star guys. Maraming salamat. Hello, good morning Panda. Si Boy Hero. One more. 81 viewers. Good morning. Mystery Man, oh. Mystery Man. One more. Hello, GFF. Patristar, Pretty Licia. Sabi ni Jonathan, one more. One more daw, one more. Mamadali si Jonathan, one more daw. Ayan na, oh. Umihiyaw si Jonathan. Hello, 84 viewers. Good morning. Thank you, Pretty Licia. Thank you, thank you. Only Kay. Good morning. Pa-share po sa live. 83 viewers. Good morning. Hello, Pretty Licia. Good morning. Thank you so much. Pa 3 star po. Si GFF po meron din. GFF, thank you so much. You're welcome, sabi ni Pretty Licia. Thank you po. Sobrang salamat. Hello kay Lily. Good morning. One more daw, one more. Oh, kalma, kalma. Relax. Chill lang, chill. Bumalik. Ayan pa, pa 3 star talaga tayo. Pretty Licia. Thank you so much po. Konti na lang, Tan. Isang post pa. 3 star na, guys. Kaya lang, umalis na. Bye-bye po. Ingat.